Hello, dear students. Welcome to I-Fal. My name is Teacher Nikki, and I am here to have another video lesson with you. So I am so excited to talk about a new topic for you today that will help you understand and construct better sentences using the English language. I know that these lessons will be very helpful for you to communicate using the English language that are grammatically correct and properly constructed, considering that we will be talking about some grammar topics. So I want you to concentrate on our lesson today, pay attention to our sample sentences, and please practice them very well even after the class. So let's go ahead and start our lesson. Let's go.
For today's discussion, let's go ahead and talk about the orders of adjectives in sentences. Now, if you notice, we just don't put adjectives on our sentences. We also have to be aware of the different orders on how we position the kinds of adjectives or the types of adjectives that we put when we are using them all together in our sentences. For now, let's go ahead and study those rules. So, for the first part here, in many languages, adjectives denoting attributes usually occur in a specific order. Generally, the adjective order in English is, so we have to pay attention to this order so we can apply them when we are constructing our sentences. For the first one, we have the quantity or the number, then the quality or the opinion, the size, age, shape, color, then the proper adjective, often nationality or origin or material, and the purpose or the qualifier. Okay, so let's have some examples with that. So, for example, I love that really big old green antique car that always parked at the end of the street. Okay, so as you can see here, really is what? This is a quality, right? The quality of the noun that it's being described. Then we have big as your size, age as your old as your age, then green, okay, antique, this is your proper adjective, and then your noun. Okay, number two, my sister adopted a beautiful big white bulldog. Okay, so we have here the quality, the size, and then the color, and then your noun. Okay, so once again, you start with quantity, the quality, size, age, shape, color, proper adjective, and then the purpose or the qualifier. Okay, now let's move on. When there are two or more adjectives that are from the same group, okay, so it means they are both quantity or they are both colors or whatsoever, we can, okay, we can add the word and, or we can use that the word and place between two adjectives. Okay, like for example, the house is green and red. So, since both of the adjectives that we use here are colors, then they are in the same category. Therefore, we use and. Number two, the library has old and new books. Okay, so old and new belongs to age. Therefore, we use and, okay, to put them together. All right, next one. When there are three or more adjectives from the same adjective group, place a comma between each of the coordinate adjectives. Example, we live in this big green, white, and red house at the end of the street. So green, white, and red are actually colors. Then we can separate them with comma if there are three or more. All right. Next, my friend lost a red, black, and white watch. Okay, a comma is not placed between an adjective and a noun. Okay, normally it is just between adjectives so that we can separate three or more adjectives in the same kind or group. Okay, next one. So, order of adjective guide. So, as a table here, we have determiner, your a, the, an, okay, these or that, quantity or number, quality or opinion, then the size, age, shape, color, proper adjective, purpose or qualifier, and then your noun. So I want you to pay attention to this table and practice creating your sentences following this order. Okay? Now, I love the beautiful old big green antique car that always parked at the end of the street. So this is quality, age, size, color, and proper adjective. My sister has a big, beautiful tan white bulldog. So we have the size, quality, color, color. Okay? A wonderful old Italian clock. Opinion, age, origin. A big square box or blue box, dimension, okay, or the shape, all right, and then the color. Right. A disgusting pink plastic, opinion, color, and material. Okay, so that's just how we understand our orders of adjectives. So once again, pay attention to this order so that we can create a better and effective sentence. Okay?
So I hope you find our lesson today very helpful. So as I always say, the secret in making your communication skills in English better is constant practice. So I want you to please keep on practicing all the lessons that we've had in the past and even this present lesson. So I know that you can do it really well and you'll improve yourself eventually. So just keep believing in yourself and practice more, okay? Now, please stay tuned to our more lessons here in I-Fal, and please visit our website that I will flash on the next screen. I also encourage you to please subscribe to our classes because we have a lot of amazing teachers that will help you and guide you in improving your English skills. So once again, this is Teacher Nikki. So I'll just see you again on the next classes and video lessons that we're going to have. I know that we will have more amazing lessons in the future. So stay tuned and good luck. Study harder and I'll see you next time. Bye.